Hey there adventurers, welcome back. Well, we got a quick video for you guys today. We're going to show you guys how easy it is to replace a door handle on your 80 series Toyota Land Cruiser. So this is applicable to most Toyotas from the 90s. They use a similar style of door handle, but they tend to break around the same spot right there. And you can replace these guys relatively easy. But you just some basic hand tools and a replacement door handle in your set. So get a pry tool. You want to gently pry along the sides of the master window switch, and just take your time. A lot of this plastic is very brittle, so just by looking at it, it will break. So then you want to disconnect the connector that's plugged in, and then set the driver window switch aside. Then again with the pry tool, pry where the armrest is at, pry up all along the edges, and it'll pop up. So you will have 3 Phillips head screws to remove, and just go ahead. I use a drill to help get these out faster, but I would recommend getting a longer Phillips bit to stick out. I had a bit of a problem with mine only because this bit was not that long. And you'll see right now in a second when I undo the 4th Phillips screw, that one right there in the handle. So once you removed all the Phillips head screws, you then can gently pull on the driver door handle bezel, and it'll just come out very gently. Now on this one, I actually have it broken, but there's another cover that'll be right there where that red dot is at. You gotta take your time removing that one. I unfortunately broke mine in the past, so that's why it's not there anymore. Then you want to pry up on the bottom of the door panel and work your way up along the sides to release all the clips, then lift it up and off the door sill. Then you can then pull out the electrical harness and unplug the other part for the light at the bottom of the door. Then set the driver door panel aside. You can then start peeling back the weather stripping. Now take your time with this guy. This water seal is very delicate. Once you have enough peeled back, you can then expose the door handle mechanism. So in some cases, these door handles, these little clips right there, are broken. So that's sometimes it can lead to your door handle not working as well. You can get these at AutoZone for replacements, but they're really easy to remove. Just lift up and push out, and it will release that little bar. Same thing right there for the lock mechanism. Same type of, locking pin. Again, guys, it's just a little clip. You just push it over to tilt it up, and then you're gonna pry it out gently. Like I'm using this little pry tool to help me out, and there it is. So next you're gonna have 2 10mm bolts that have to come out, and then after that it should just come out. So again, I'm sorry you can't see this too well with my hand in the way, but I had to loosen them up before I can remove them. So we'll just skip past that, but you guys can see right here. Take your time, and these will come out very easy. Now the door handle itself will not fall out, so once they're removed, you have to still lift up a little bit and then pull forward for the whole handle mechanism to come out. That's a bit of a rocking motion to get it out, but it comes out very easy. Once you have it removed, go ahead and remove the 3rd 10mm nut or bolt and turn the lock clockwise to remove, and that's it. Now with the new one, you're going to set the lock in, put it counterclockwise to lock back in position, and then reinstall your 10mm bolt, and it's ready for replacement. Also, if your replacement door handle clips are broken right now, this would be the best time to do it. Those yellow ones and will be easy to replace at this point in time. Now to get back in, you're going to rock in the top half first, then rock it down for the bottom half, and then reinstall your 2 10mm bolts again, and this will make it so the door handle will not fall out. But if your door handle does get loose in the future, you know which 2 to go check. But the fun part is, you can, if these things do fall out, all you should do is reach down the bottom of the door well and grab them and reinstall them. But you can see right there's a 2 10s we have to reinstall, and And then of course we're going to go ahead and reinstall the push rod. I'm trying to do this in the best way possible with one hand. But again, it slides in very, very simply. So once it slides in, then you slide that other clip down. Same thing up there. Again, be gentle with these. These break very easy, but you can get replacement from AutoZone. Once it's all said and done, go ahead and test the mechanism with your key and the door handle itself. Then reinstall your splash shield, and you're pretty much set at this point. Now, take your time putting everything back together. Also, you may have to replace some of these door panel clips. They do tend to break when they do come out, so it would help to have some extra on hand. Again, you can pick some up from AutoZone or get some from Amazon. I do tend to keep a bunch on hand because they do break so easy. 30-year-old plastic does not like it. Now, you want to install the door handle. You want to install it from the top down, and then slowly shimmy the door panel and press firmly until you hear a click to lock in that door panel. And then press all along the side because there is clips in the middle as well. Once that's done, you can then reinstall your driver window switch and secure him back into place. Reinstall the 4 Phillips screws in the door, and this thing is really that easy to get done, guys. So again, you don't need anything special. Some basic hand tools can get this job done rather fast. And to get this door bezel back in, you want to open the handle a little bit just to slide it back into position. Then press down firmly on your armrest, and then you are set, guys. Oh wait, forgot this guy too, don't worry. Finally, guys, we can open the door and enjoy the nice working door handle that color matches your vehicle. So there you guys have it. Really simple to take an old broken handle off and replace it. Nice new working door handle. Alright guys, if you like this content and want to see more like it, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one. And if you want to support Wonder Off-Road, please consider buying us a coffee. We'll catch you in the next one.